A doorbell transformer converts standard household voltage, like 120 volts in North America or 230 volts in Europe, down to a safer lower voltage, typically 8 to 24 volts AC, that powers the doorbell chime. These small rectangular devices are usually mounted near the electrical panel, inside the doorbell chime, or in areas like the attic or basement. You can often find the transformer attached to the side of the main electrical panel, as shown here with the circuit breakers and wiring. Sometimes the transformer is mounted directly on the wall, connected to cables running into the electrical panel. In other installations, the transformer may be attached to wooden surfaces or beams, with cables entering a metal distribution panel. Before working with any electrical components, always turn off the circuit breaker that controls the doorbell circuit to ensure safety. When handling electrical work, use proper safety equipment like insulated gloves rated for the appropriate voltage level. Use a voltage tester or multimeter to verify that power is off before proceeding with any work on the transformer. Typical wiring shows the transformer connected to the doorbell chime with specific terminal connections for front and rear buttons. Installation diagrams show the complete setup, including transformer placement, wiring routes, and component connections. With the breaker still off, set your multimeter to the AC voltage setting, typically labeled VAC or V tilde. Look at the multimeter functions image to see the AC voltage setting options and how to select them. Now connect the multimeter probes to the transformer's output terminals, the low voltage wires that go to the doorbell chime. Remember, never touch any bare wires during this process. With probes connected safely, turn the breaker back on. The multimeter should display the voltage reading. A normal reading shows about 16 volts AC. Turn the breaker off after testing. If you see 0 volts or a very low reading, the transformer may be faulty. Always turn the breaker off after testing and consult a qualified electrician for transformer replacement if it's faulty.